Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Today we have another refreshing juice recipe starting with the cantaloupe melon. Have you tried cantaloupe melon? Are you used to eating it? Let me hear from you in the comment section. I really appreciate that. So, cantaloupe melon has loads of amazing health benefits. It is loaded with vitamins A, vitamins B, vitamin C, potassium, water, antioxidants, and so on and so forth, making it perfect for promoting heart health, promoting a healthy skin, teeth, and gums. Great for the eyes, for promoting eyesight, helps combat infections, help boost immunity, great for the UTI, preventing UTI, improves wound healing, like reduces stress, is also amazing for healthy pregnancy and even for menstruation. It is loaded with loads of amazing health benefits, and most of all, is refreshing, rehydrating because it has lots of water. By the way, have you subscribed? If you have not, this is the time to do so. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, and leave your comments. I will appreciate that. So our next ingredient for this yummy recipe is another melon. This time is watermelon. Oh my, look at that color. Watermelon, it's refreshing, hydrating, making it perfect for skin health. Watermelon is a natural diuretic, making it perfect for kidney detox and kidney health, keeping us safe from UTIs, helps to hydrate the skin, like I said, perfect for eye health, helps prevent heat stroke because of its water content. It's a good fruit for managing weight because it's filling with a high level of water content. It tastes yummy and very colorful. When cantaloupe meets watermelon. Ooh. So let's get to our next one. As you can see, we have lemon. Lemon juice is popular for its antioxidants and anti-cancer properties. It is great for boosting immunity. It aids with digestive health, increases concentration, helps with liver and kidney detox and health. It suppresses appetites, making it perfect for weight loss. It helps with nausea, managing of nausea, vomiting, or travel sickness. Perfect for cold and flu, and fights infections. It is high in vitamin C, making it great for skin health. There are lots and lots of benefits attached to drinking lemon juice. Our next ingredient is none other than the superfood ginger. Yes, fresh ginger. Ginger is loaded with loads of nutritional value that is great for health, great for circulation, great for nutrient absorption. It relieves stomach discomfort, helps with managing pain and inflammation. It is proven to have some healing properties for certain type of cancers according to research, prevents colds, flus, and certain respiratory problems, help boost our immunity, and many more. The last but not the least ingredient for this yummy recipe is parsley. It is a herb that is researched and known for helping with digestion, helps fight inflammation, helps with oral health, helps with skin health, prevents or helps to manage hair loss, and also fight certain cancers. Remember to wash your fruits and vegetables thoroughly, very important. Now, enough of the lectures, let's just juice. It's time for juicing. Let's get all of our ingredients into the juicer and squeeze the healthy, yummy juice out for our enjoyment. Oh, I can't wait. Ooh, let's do this, yeah? Oh my word, look at that color combo. Yummy. Straining your juice is absolutely totally optional. I love smooth juice, so I strain. Just take a look at that cup of health goodness. Freshly made, no preservatives, no additives, no added sugar, just made from fresh fruits and vegetables, healthy for our consumption. My time. Have you subscribed? If you've not, this is the time to do so. If you have enjoyed this video, like and share. Yum! Oh my, so refreshing. Till I see you next time, don't forget, make food your medicine. Bye.